What? Bless me. Oh, that was a sneeze? Okay. Of course it was a sneeze. What else could it be? Well, I couldn't tell if it was a sneeze or a cough. A cough? Yeah, I couldn't understand it. I can control the way I sound. Yeah, sorry. It's fine. Okay, what am I supposed to say to that? I don't know, just say bless you no matter what you think. Well, I don't want to embarrass myself when I think it is a sneeze when really it's just a cough. Here, for now on, I'll just try and sneeze silently so you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Achoo! Bless you. That was a sneeze. Okay.